हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड दिस क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेट्स ऑफ क्वांटम नंबर्स इज पॉसिबल फॉर एन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन ए हाइड्रोजन एटम. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन में हमसे पूछा जा रहा है इनमें से कौन सा सेट ऑफ क्वांटम नंबर्स पॉसिबल है किसी भी इलेक्ट्रॉन के लिए हाइड्रोजन एटम में. फॉर दैट, प्लीज नोट द की कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, which says the quantum number n, the quantum number n can take values from 1 to infinity, whereas L can take, I would say, corresponding values from 0 to n minus 1, and M quantum number can take values from minus L to plus L. So students, let's say for quantum number n equals to 2, the possible quantum number L can be 0, 1, because L must lie from 0 to n minus 1, whereas the magnetic quantum number M, this can lie from minus L to L. This will be minus 0, minus 1, 0 and 1. So students, let's take option A. It says n equals to 4, L equals to 3 and M equals to minus 3. So students, for n equals to 3, L can take values from 0, 1, 2 and 3. These are the values of L, and the magnetic quantum number M can take values from minus L to plus L. That is, M can take the values from minus 3 to plus 3. Clearly, option A is satisfying all conditions, so it will be correct. Let's check option B. For option B, principal quantum number n is 4 and L must be 0, 1, 2 and 3. That is, L azimuthal quantum number must be 1 less than the principal quantum number. The maximum value of azimuthal quantum number L must be 1 less than principal quantum number, so 3. But in this option, L is given to us is 4. So this option is incorrect. Let's check option C. Here n equals to 5, that is principal quantum number equals to 5, L equals to minus 1. So students, for n equals to 5, the possible azimuthal quantum numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. L can never be negative. This is a negative number. So this option is also wrong. Let's check option D. For D, this is n equals to 3. The possible quantum numbers, possible azimuthal quantum numbers L, this is 0, 1 and 2. Quantum numbers can be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Since magnetic quantum number lies between minus L to L. So students, it has 3, it has 1 and it has minus 2 values. So clearly this set of quantum numbers is possible. So this is also correct. So students, the correct options of this question is option A and option D. That is option A and D, both are the correct solution of this question. I hope आपको ये concept समझ आया students. Thank you.